Let's take a quick look at one topic that's covered in Chapter 1, and that is angles. That is, we're going to be talking about degrees, minutes, and seconds. And this is always going to be minutes of arc, that's usually the way you'll say it, and seconds of arc. And as a way to understand what that is, imagine you take a fly, grab them with the tweezers, hold them right smack in front of your eye. The fly will subtend, will fill a fairly large angle. So this might be the observer right here, that's the guy's eye. This is looking at a fly, and that's the large angle that it subtends. Maybe it's as much as a degree, and you all know that there are 360 degrees in one full circle around. So that would be an angle, a fairly large angle, and it's probably too big to be used in astronomy ever. There are 60 minutes of arc, and that's written with a little minute sign with a little bitty arc above it. 60 minutes of arc is equal to 1 degree. Okay, and so a 60th of a degree is going to be a minute of arc. If we look at the full moon in the night sky, the full moon is about 30 minutes of arc across. So we can imagine if we go much further away from this fly and we look at him from clear over, the other side of the room, the angle is a smaller, sharper angle. Still fills the fly, but instead of being, let's just say this is 2 degrees, this angle might be 40 minutes of arc, just to make up some numbers. Then if we want to look at what a constituent of a minute of arc is, we'd write that as a second of arc. 60 seconds of arc, again a second sign with a little bitty arc above it, is equal to 1 minute of arc. So if we look at that fly from a distance of a mile, go a mile away, look at the size of the fly, he would fill an angle of 1 arc second, 1 second of arc. Your eye doesn't even see that. In fact, you'd have to have a telescope or binoculars to see a fly at that distance, but that's what a second of arc is. So 360 degrees in a circle, 1 degree consists of 60 minutes of arc, 1 minute of arc consists of 60 seconds of arc.